Again, welcome back to Things That You Can Do, because if I can do it, it means that you can do it too. Now, I know I've been away for a little bit, but listen, life gets in the way sometimes. Just starting a new job. I've been training for the past 3 weeks. And now that it's done, we are back. So in this video, I'm just going to be changing the brake pads on my 2012 Volkswagen Passat SE. Now, if anyone finds this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the thing. You know what I mean? And keep the channel pumping. I also want to take the time to thank everyone who has subscribed. Manners and respect. Stay tuned. Bless.
Yeah.